Hey guys, it's your friend Justin over at Trek Roofing and Remodeling. Just wanted to touch base with you, say hi. I know it's been a while. I know the world's kind of a crazy world right now with everything going on, but more importantly, wanted to say hi. I know also a lot of you in the Maryland region, between Monday and today, we have been getting bombarded with phone calls because of the high wind Easter storms that we had. So as you can see, I'm out here with a homeowner right now, helping them do an inspection on their roof. Just wrapped everything up. You might be able to see some of the numbers behind me. This homeowner, I believe, has close to 80 damaged shingles on this simple single family 2-story roof. So we're going to be able to help him, walk him through the insurance process and everything like that. Just so you know, we're keeping everything very, very safe as well. Obviously, hand sanitizer, proper gloves, proper masking. We are doing no contact inspections, so we are not coming into contact with homeowners. And once we're done our inspection, we're going to schedule a virtual call for you to go over all the details. So unfortunately, you do not get to see my pretty face in person, but we will talk to each other over soon. Make sure that you guys stay safe. That's the most important thing. But once again, when you need us to come out for your roof, 410-775-4055. Once again, that's 410-775-4055. Talk to you guys soon. See ya.